Hey guys, how you doing today? My name's Cody Peck, and today I'm going to be telling you about my product, which is called the Wheel Cleaning SpongeBrush. So in this presentation that I'm going to show you, we're going to go over the personal story, the problem story, competitor story, customer story, and solution story. And we're going to answer questions such as, why are you interested in solving this problem? What are our current alternatives to this problem? What is the problem? Why should we care about the problem? When finally we're going to finish off on what my solution is. So I hope you guys enjoy. So here's my product called the Wheel Cleaning SpongeBrush. So my personal story. It took 10 minutes to clean my entire car and 40 minutes to just clean 4 wheels properly. That to me was a problem. As you can see in this picture right here, these wheels have so many small spots that you must get into, and we must find a tool to do that. So that's why I'm interested in solving this problem, and that was the incident that started it. Now for my problem story. What is the problem, and why should you guys care? Keeping your stuff clean is important, but it shouldn't come at such a timely cost. People don't want to clean their stuff when the opportunity cost is so high, so we need to fix that. Take pride in what you own and care for an expensive product like a car. That's something you want to keep nice. The competitor story. So what's our current alternatives? And what's used to address the problem? So most brushes are meant to cover and clean big and flat areas. We're looking for the opposite. We want to get into those tight spots. Most times, we must be satisfied by either a competitor brush that doesn't quite get the job done as well, or by using our bare hands, which takes a lot more time and can leave us with fingernails that look like this picture right here. So now our customer story. So who experiences this problem, and who's most frustrated with the current alternatives? Well, across the globe, there are 1.4 billion cars on the road. All of these cars have wheels, so that's a big market that relates to this problem. Car enthusiasts and perfectionists are most frustrated with the issue, though. They are the ones who want their cars cleaned to the perfect T, and they're the ones looking for a product like this. So now our solution story. What did we do to fix this? What's our solution, and how is it better than the alternatives? Well, a tight triangle top shaped brush made of sponge-like material is our solution. The sponge-like material is going to allow you to cover all the volume of the surface while being flexible enough to get into those tight spots. Alternative brushes will be better for cleaning an entire wheel and its flat spots. However, our brush will specifically be designed to fit in and clean visible yet tough to reach spots that competing brushes usually miss and leave dirt behind. Hope you guys enjoyed the presentation, and hopefully you even found some value in the idea, especially my car lovers and enthusiasts out there. This is going to save you a lot of time, saving you time and also keeping your car clean. That's going to make you a lot happier, and it's going to give you a lot of time to spend on other things, whether it's family, friends, or something else you want to work on. So hope you guys like the product, and hopefully it brings value to you guys.